Hello guys, good evening. And it's 10 p.m. already. Pero kitang-kita nyo dito sa view ko ay may araw pa talaga siya. At alam mo yun, dito sa Ireland or usually sa Europe, pag summer, mas madami yung araw kaysa sa gabi. So, ayun. So, dito ako nag-chill muna ako dito sa ilalim ng aking bahay. I'm so lucky na alam mo yun, meron akong very quiet and silent na view dito na parang napakaganda siya at sobrang ganda niya. It's amazing. So alam mo yun. So yes, just a quick update guys. As international student, I'm currently in my semester 2 at pa-end na yung semester 2 and tomorrow I will submit the last paper ng sem 2. Then after that, yuhu! Tapos na. And yes, alam mo yun, yung parang um, I think approximately I submit 20 papers. Yeah, 20 or 19 papers all in all. Alam mo yun, so madaming assessments, exams, face-to-face exams, at lalo-lalo na sa batch namin ngayon ay parang because of AI, so teachers don't trust yung mga sinusulat mo estudyante. So, so they have like face-to-face exam where we code on the paper. So, alam mo yun. So, very, very, very nice naman kasi alam mo yun, memorable sa aming mga computer scientists in the future na alam mo yun na parang sa aming time kung saan umusbong yung AI dito, tinest talaga yung aming knowledge and skills kung nakakapag-code talaga kami or something. So, ayun, it was a blessing and amazing kasi natapos na rin siya. And ayun, so yes, so I'm just happy. And next semester, the last semester we have semester 3, we only have capstone project. So yun, yung capstone project is more siya sa more siya sa gagawa ka ng isang project mo to connect all the dots like like database, parang full stack siya na you have front end, back end, and at the same time yung mga functionalities, or you can use distributed system or something like that. So yeah, so depende. So we will submit a proposal, then after that our advisor will approve it, then we will present it on the final days or the last day of the semester 3. And yes, ayun. So it was a great journey yung pag-aaral ko dito, and isa lang sa mga gusto kong i-share, like I think yung mga isang strategy ko ay I always practice I always what do you call this one, practice every day, like to be 1% better every day. Kasi kung gagawin mo yan siya ng consistent, you have 365% a year. So alam mo yun. So ano lang, practice lang araw-araw, and ayun, nakakausad naman, and ayun, masaya ako. I'm just happy. And right now yeah, so bukas I will submit the last assessment that I have, then it's all done. And yeah, so right now I'm trying to appreciate little things, like like little peace in my mind, in my soul. Importante yon kasi kahit gaano tayo ka-stress sa buhay, so kailangan meron tayong silent moment, alam mo yan. So yeah, I hope you learned something today. Thank you very much guys. Bye.